Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you spend any time watching YouTube videos and especially movies, then you're probably seeing this effect before, where there are these black bars or letterbox bars on the top and the bottom, giving it a really cool cinematic effect. And so today I'm going to be showing you how you could do this in Openshot. It's a very easy process, but it's very powerful as well to just give that more of that film look. So the first thing you want to do is obviously bring your video down to your timeline. And then what you want to do is add the effect. So I already have the effect here, but I'm going to show you how to do it from the beginning. So you'll go here into your effects tab, and there's two main ways you can do this. You can use the crop effect, or you can use the bars effect. I like the bars effect because it's kind of built for that. So you bring this down here, and once you put it on your clip, you'll notice this B symbol. And what you want to do now is you actually want to go to the properties of this effect. And so how you do that is you right click on your mouse and then go to properties, and now you see all the properties for the bar effect. And so if you see right here, it automatically cropped the bottom and the top with 0.10, so as you can see there. But what we want to do is to gradually make this letterbox effects come in. So we'll go ahead and put this down to 0 and put the top down to 0. And so what it's done here is it has created a keyframe. So at this specific point of the clip, at this keyframe, everything is 0, meaning that your video is full height, width, length. So now you choose the area that you want the letterbox to come in. So I would say about right here. And so now you go back to this property. Make sure you click on the effects property. Otherwise, you'll get the property for the entire clip. So click here. And now you could adjust the bottom and the top. And so you could adjust it whatever size you want, but I'm going to put it at 15 and then do the same thing for the top. You want it to be the same so that it looks even, but it's really up to you. So there it is. And so now you click back here in the video. We'll go back to the beginning and then we'll press play again. And so you notice now the letterbox effect is coming in, and that just looks oh so cinematic. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. So there are other things you could do as well. You could do this in reverse. Like say for example, you want the video to come into this letterbox effect. So we'll go back to the very beginning of the video. And on this keyframe, instead of it being all zeros, where it's the full, dimensions of the video, let's go ahead and make this like pretty much disappear. Okay, so that's like 50%. So 50% of the bottom. So we'll go like 50 right here. And then 50% of the top, which basically means your entire video is gone. So we'll go back to the beginning and we'll play that again. You see that? So it just slowly comes in like this. It adds even more of an effect. And then at that keyframe, it'll stop here. However, you could also create another keyframe where you can adjust this letterbox again. So maybe you want it to disappear completely. You do the same thing. Make it 0. And now let's watch this whole thing. So it's coming in. And then it has your letterbox effect, and then it's going to keep going. So that's really cool. And at the same time, you could crop other parts of the video, the left and right portions as well. So we'll go back here to the effects properties. So let's go ahead and crop it on the right and then on the left. So yeah, more Instagram dimensions right there. So let's watch that whole video again. Click here in your timeline. Cool. And very similar to the other keyframes, you can make sure that it comes in with that effect. So here the left and right is at 0.15. Let's make that 0, and eventually it'll crop into that dimension. So this all has to do with keyframes working with this effect. But as you can see here, you can produce a really cinematic, dramatic look however you want. And there's so many other ways that you could be creative with just this one effect alone. But as you can see here, it was fairly easy to do, but it really adds so much more to this video. So if you actually had any thoughts on this effect or any other type of effects that you wanted to see here in Openshot, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire Openshot tutorial, I do have a playlist. I'll leave that in the description as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.